A key feature of this equipment is its use of environmentally safe reagents, which replace traditional hazardous chemicals. These reagents are specifically formulated to target specific compounds while minimizing byproducts harmful to the environment. The leaching process occurs within a controlled chamber where temperature, pressure. Another important aspect of the equipment is its recycling system. Waste liquids and residues generated during the process are collected and treated before disposal or reuse. Advanced filtration and purification technologies help recover unused reagents and valuable metals, reducing resource waste and enhancing economic viability. Additionally, overall, the environmental-friendly leaching equipment represents a significant advancement in sustainable resource extraction. By prioritizing both performance and environmental responsibility, it addresses the growing demand for green technology solutions in industries ranging from mining to recycling. As global awareness of ecological preservation continues to rise,